In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a poached egg in a minute using your microwave. The ingredients you're going to need are quite simple. You can use any bowl, not these ones. I do prefer these because they work a lot better. The next thing you're going to be using are the eggs. Doesn't particularly matter what kind of eggs, obviously. It's just a poached egg, nothing too complicated. We're then going to be using some water because we're going to be measuring the exact water you're going to need to be putting in these bowls. To do this correctly, it's quite important that we use a measure in milliliters. On this occasion, I like to make sure it's measured out at 120 milliliters. As we crack the egg into the bowl, it's important that we get that straight into the microwave without it settling on the bottom. We're now going to set it for 1 minute, but we're going to first give it a blast for 50 seconds and then a further 10 seconds. Now that the egg's in the microwave, we can now fire up our toast. I particularly like my toast a little bit more darker, so it might take a little bit longer. Now that my egg's been in here for 50 seconds, I'm going to take it out and let it rest on the side while my toast is finishing off. While I've been waiting for my toast, the egg is still resting in the water. I'll now just simply drain off the egg into a strainer. And here you have a simple poached egg in less than 1 minute. We must remember all microwaves are different with regards to wattage, so that can make a difference, but I'm sure you will work it out. But for me, this is perfect.